अलायंस बिजनेस कनेक्ट मीटिंग का आयोजन 28 फरवरी को निहारिका होटल में संपन्न किया गया। आइए हमारे चैनल के माध्यम से देखते हैं ये मीटिंग कैसा रहा।
My name is Brezmohan Mulla, and as President, my role is to chair the meeting, ensuring that we follow the structured agenda developed by ABC, which will help us to maximize our business. Now, I would like to introduce the following people so that everyone knows who they are. On our head team is Mr. Rajiv Sikri, our Vice President.
I'm Rajiv Sikri, Vice President of our chapter. I will introduce the support committee. We are chapter founder Sri Satish Lakotia ji.
Good evening.
Treasurer Ms. Sangeeta Gneriwala.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening.
Business driver Rishi Agarwal and Minu Tulsian.
Good evening.
Digital and social media team Vaisali Bakshi, Gyanvi Daga and Urvi Raja.
Good evening. Hello, everyone.
Feature presentation coordinator Rajiv Sikri, that's myself. Event coordinator Sweety Mantri.
Good evening, ABC.
Good evening.
KYM and corporate meet coordinator Sweety Mantri and Sumit Sabu.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Meeting coordinator Neeta Das, Archana Patodia and Aditya Kasera.
Good evening, ABC. Good evening.
Chapter growth coordinator Rakesh Jaiswal and Rakesh Misra.
Good evening. Good evening.
45 seconds presentation coordinator Rakesh Khanchandani.
Good evening. Good evening.
One-to-one coordinator Atish Makaria. Food and beverage coordinator Sweety Mantri and Sangeeta Gneriwala.
Good evening, ABC.
Discipline committee head board and collection coordinator Archana Patodia. We have made all the categories except falling open from January 2025, but the members who are enrolled in the category already in one will be in chapter 2 only.
Next on our leadership team is our Secretary, Mrs. Sweety Mantri.
This is Sweety Mantri. I am Secretary of this chapter. Now I am going to give a brief detail of the rules each member has to follow from January 25 in ABC. Members should give reasons for being absent, and one can't have more than 3 absence in 3 months, and no continuous 2 absence. In case of more than 3 absent in a quarter, his or her category will be made open, and subsequently he or she will be removed from the chapter. By giving the 45-second presentation, a member should restrict his or her information inducted into. Even during the meeting, he or she should not talk about any other category except the inducted.
Our Kerala complete digital host in place of Kimi Sada is Urvi.
On behalf of Kimi Sharda, our chapter treasurer cum member host. My role is to manage the finance of the chapter. We will be giving cash award of rupees 3,000 and rupees 2,000 to the best performer in the quarter ending March 2025.
Now, Alliance Business Connect is a part of Alliance Club, and Alliance Club is going to have international convention in Calcutta this time on 8th and 9th of March. And there are a lot of things which are going to happen, and nobody else can give better description than our founder, Mr. Satish Lakotia. Over to Mr. Lakotia.
Good evening, friends.
Good evening.
I am pleased to announce that our 17th convention of Alliance Clubs International is going to be held at Calcutta. It will be held at Samriddhi Banquet, which is under the Pride Hotel in Newtown. Pride Hotel is you must be knowing Pride Hotel. Many of you must have visited also. Samriddhi is like a 5-star banquet hall, and we will be having for 2 days, 8th and 9th. 8th will be our inaugural session. From 3:30 we will have our inaugural session. Initially we will have our tea, then inaugural session. 5:30 again tea break. 6 o'clock we will have some entertainment program with award ceremony, and 8 p.m. onwards we will have cocktail dinner. This is the first day's program. Second day will be from 10:30 to 12:30 business session, where all the new leaders will be declared and or elected, and it will be completed by 1 o'clock, and thereafter it will followed by lunch. The charges are, those who want to stay in Pride Hotel, it will be 5,800 rupees, which includes your accommodation and your tea, dinner, coffee, everything, lunch, complete, including kit. Those who don't want to stay, like we are all local guys, so we have to pay 2,500. Now in 2,500 you can attend both the days international convention, as well as it will cover complete dinner, lunch, everything, and you will also be getting one kit. Kit is like a bag with the rollers and all. The bag itself is about 1,200 rupees. So that you are going to get as a gift also. And those who want to attend without kit, it will be charged 1,500 rupees. If you don't want to get kit, then you can pay 1,500 and attend the convention. Friends, about 100 members, 100 leaders are coming from outside Calcutta, from south, west, north, everywhere. So this will be a great opportunity for all of us to meet, to know about our activities of the different areas of Alliance. And since Alliance Club International is the main body, I think each and every member should attend this convention.
Hey everyone, I am Richa Masadi, interior designer.
Sangeeta Ganeriwala and I deal in bedsheets.
Gautam there. I just want to thank Mr. Satish Lakhotia sir for giving me this opportunity to come here and join all you guys. And basically I'm into stock market and I'm looking forward. Thank you.
कोलकाता में 10 साल बाद एक ऐसा गजब इन्वेस्टमेंट स्कीम लॉन्च हुआ है जिसके लिए मैं आप सबको उसको अवेयर करना चाहता हूँ, जिसमें गौर से सुनिएगा। अगर एक प्रॉपर्टी 3 करोड़ रुपए की है, ठीक है, अपने को सिर्फ 20% पेमेंट देके बुक करना है प्रॉपर्टी को, और टिल पोजेशन नेक्स्ट 4 साल तक कोई पेमेंट नहीं करना है, टिल पोजेशन। और अगर अपने मार्केट सिनेरियो के हिसाब से अगर सोचते हैं और हर साल में 10 से 12% भी इंक्रीमेंट होता है, तो 4 साल में 50% भी अगर वो प्रॉपर्टी का इंक्रीमेंट होता है, 3 करोड़ की प्रॉपर्टी 4.5 करोड़ रुपए हो जाती है। आपको आज सिर्फ 20% देना है 60 लाख रुपए, और अगर आप वो प्रॉपर्टी 4 साल बाद पोजेशन नहीं लेते हैं और बेच देते हैं तो आपको कोई पैसे नहीं देने हैं। Because of the scheme,
My name is Rajapal, representing my company SRT Automation.
Abhishek Bagla from Kiran Transport Private Limited.
अनुराग तिवारी, मेरी कंपनी गणपति डेकोर।
Myself Surendra Agarwal, engaged in insurance business for more than a decade, having a lots of milestone of MDRT, COT, etc.
My name is Anshika Kanchandani and I am substitute for Rakesh Kanchandani, who is the director of Amber Teleshop Private Limited. We deal in all kinds of telecommunication products. So,
I'm Tundrita Shaha from Astral Studios.
Pururaj Datta from the Eco Urban to your customers as well as cater to your corporate requirements. Given the growing demand for environmentally responsible alternatives, we believe our products would be a great gift to our future generations.
Myself Gyanvi, representing IGK Solutions.
My name is Pankaj Singh and I represent Atharv Healthcare. We are into industrial healthcare and rural healthcare, primary healthcare services.
Rakesh Jaspal, owner of famous homestay Gungabittam Nabod. Thank you.
Good evening ABC. Myself Sajan Agarwal, your Vastu advisor, and I do all type of Vastu consultancy. Tip for today is, if you have in your house or flat or bungalow any storage of unwanted thing, or where you have kept any scrap or unused items in the northeast, southeast or southwest direction of your flat, please remove it, because that can affect your finances.
Manish Shamria, working as a stock market professional. Good evening. Myself Rakesh Mishra, an advisor with 29 years of experience in insurance industry.
Sunil Verma, substitute of Puthun Todi, representing our company VB Enterprises, category of real estate.
Myself Rahul Champani from Rahul Exports, exporting scarves, fabrics and garments to European countries from last 2 decades.
Meenu Tulsian, practicing company secretary and GST advisor. Get detailed information about my business and services in my presentation today.
जन्मदिन है, इसे सबको उनको लिए एक तालियां बजाएं। का नाम डीप कंसल्टेंसी हुआ, हम केएमसी में डील करते हैं, स्पेशलिस्ट ओनली फॉर केएमसी। जैसे किसी को प्रॉपर्टी का असेसमेंट के बारे में जानना है, किसी को लैंड का स्ट्रक्चर में जानना है कि लैंड एक्चुअली है क्या, उसका क्या चीज के लिए है, केएमसी रिलेटेड कोई भी काम हो, प्लीज कॉन्टेक्ट टू मी।
वार्म वेलकम टू ऑनरेबल विजिटर्स, माई सेल्फ LIC एंड आदित्य कसेरा। में नमक कम चलाते हैं क्या? आपका जवाब होगा नहीं। तो फिर आपके बहुमूल्य जीवन में लाइफ इंश्योरेंस कम क्यों? चीनी और नमक का कम होना तो आपके लिए अच्छा है, लेकिन लाइफ इंश्योरेंस कम आपके एवं आपके परिवार के लिए नुकसानदायक है।
Myself, Nayan Mukherjee, your stockbroking partner of this chapter.
Myself, Himanshu Soni, and we deal in gold and diamond jewelry as well as in silver utensils.
और मेरी कंपनी का नाम है SMK Pharma.
चलती का काम गाड़ी और रुक जाए तो सब पे भारी, तो रुकने ना दे अपनी गाड़ी, चेक कराए हमसे बारी बारी। Good evening ABC. This is Atish Makaria from Cars.
Myself Manoj Chandra from Lightworld, dealing in all type LED lights. Please do visit our showroom near Puddar Court. Thank you.
Holi is around the corner, and to enjoy the colors of Holi in the true spirit, do order from our special Holi menu of Thandai cakes, pastries and special desserts.
Good evening members. Good evening. Why do Shah Rukh Khan use his cars bearing 555 numbers? Rakesh Jhunjhunwala's lucky number is also 5. Indian richest man Mukesh Ambani lucky number is 9. Cricket legend Dhoni jersey number is 7. Do know which numbers are important for you and how you can make them work. Do one-to-one with me, Rajiv Sikri Vastu Function and Numerologist Consultant, and my showroom Function Towers on AJC Post Road. Thank you.
Myself Smriti Mantri, I am representing my brand Desi Videsi. It's a one-stop solution for all your food utensils. Holi is round the corner and it's time to add some colors to your celebration. At Desi Videsi, we are excited to offer a range of delicious and vibrant food options that are perfect for your Holi celebration.
Good evening, friends.
Good evening.
Myself, Dilmohan Mundra from Sarut Corporate Consultants Private Limited. We are into loan syndications for last 25 years, catering to all type of individuals, mid corporates, large corporates, HNIs, everyone.
হ্যাঁ গো শুনছো বুঝেছি টাকা চাই না বাড়ি চাই উরি বাবা এত টাকা কোথায় থেকে পাবো এই দেখো মাত্র 1 লাখ টাকা দিয়ে লারিকা টাউনশিপে বাড়ি পাওয়া যায় তাই তো লারিকা টাউনশিপ বারাসাত মাত্র 1 লাখ টাকা দিয়ে বাড়ি কিনতে পাওয়া যায় yes myself Satish Rakotia from Larika Estates Limited. We are in the business of real estate. You can book a flat even by paying 1 lakh rupees and take the position. And the minimum flat is for 12 lakhs rupees. Thank you.
And business given of rupees 45,000 and reference to Jagdish Sahuji and attend KYM Himanshu ji. Thank you.
KYM of Himanshu Soni, given business of 1,76,000.
One with Surendra Rawal and one with Smriti Mantri. And thank you slip of rupees 7.5 crore to Surendra Rawal.
2 1-to-1s done and business given to Neeraj ji 3,000 and Bajoria ji 2,10,000.
We are going to have feature presentation by Mrs. Meenu Tulsian.
I am Meenu Tulsian. Do and how they can make me connected. The prominent question is, why do you need a CS? These headlines you must have gone through. The top headlines I have chosen 1 or 2 only. Tata fired Mistry, second one. There's a fall of Paytm for non-governance. These are few headlines that you read all the in the newspapers. Necessary for you to understand everything. But just to make it clear, the corporate things, the company that strategic things the company deal in, we advise and do these services for companies. Companies Act and guide companies to what are the compliances required under different sections applicable to different situations and the transactions they are dealing in. So we work as a compliance bridge between the company and the act, the governance. The CS actually people get confused कि company में CS है तो we do not need practicing company secretary. That is why I have put in this one. CS can be मतलब CS profession there are 2 ways. One can practice individually or get into a company for a job. For a job perspective and the work is different. For an advisor and the practicing company secretary job is different. Even a company having a CS on their board, still they need professional CS for certifications, advisory and different functions. Different services. Next. about the Meenu Tulsian and Company. It was established in 2010. Construction, winding up the Companies Act and different other as provided. Why refer me? I would like to ask Pankaj ji for this.
So I'll tell you, we do that. So and valuation and all that we have done it from a different consultant, and she said that yes, we will do it. Immediately we provided all the documents to Minuji, and then she worked on it, and she did it in a very stipulated time frame which we wanted to do it. And I must say that she is excellent in her work. She is fabulous. Thank you.
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा आज फीचर प्रेजेंटेशन दे के मेरा सबको मुझे मेरे बताया और सबको इसमें काफ़ी कंसंट्रेशन से सुने और आई थिंक आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग गुड बिजनेस फ्रॉम एवरीवन. ABC इज़ लाइक फैमिली. कहीं पे कुछ हेजिटेशन नहीं लगता, किसी से भी मिल सकते हैं, बात कर सकते हैं, काम भी बहुत अच्छा हो रहा है, तो काफ़ी अच्छा लगता है. मीनू तुलसियान.
Hello everybody, myself Preeti Mantri. This side from Desi Videsi. I am super happy that I am hosting a KYM for my ABC family on 10th of March at my new cafe, which is located at Ajmera Apartment 14B, Belehata Main Road. The cafe name said as Desi Videsi, so I'll be really happy if I can host you all so that we can have a pre-Holi celebration as well with a colorful and a happy delight food which I really want to serve you all. Thank you so much.